Alright, we're going to do question 9 starting off. Now, the thing to remember at number 9 is to change all these numbers into powers of 3. Square root of 3 is 3 to the power of a half. This here, 3 to the power of x. Equals, change your 243 into 3 to the power of 5. Change, now root 27, I'm just going to take a bit of time to do this. Root 27 means 27 to the power of a half. Change 27 into 3 cubed, and then you multiply them, and you get, it turns out to be 3 to the power of 3 over 2. 3 to the power of 3 over 2 to be squared. Now, next thing, when you're, that's not a third, that's a half, by the way. Sorry, excuse me. I made it. Quick mistake on this one, that's a half, not a third. Now that that's done, what we're going to do next is we're going to multiply them together. And when you multiply, you add them. So it's going to be a half plus x. The next one is going to be 5 minus 3 over 2, which is 7 over 2 to the power of 2. A half plus x equals 3 to the power of 7. A half plus x therefore must equal 7. X equals, anybody? 6.5. Who got that out yesterday? Okay, couple of this, well done. Okay, now I'll leave question 9 over here in the corner, and now I'm going to do question, what's it, question 12?
How did you get 7? I don't understand how you got
7, Connor.
7.5, 3 to the power.
Oh yeah, sorry. I had 3 to the power of 7 over 2 to be squared, and it's 2 multiplied by 7 over 2, which turns into 3 to the power of 7.
Yeah, but how did you get the 7 over 2?
3 to the power of half plus x. How do we get the 7 over 2?
Yeah.
5 minus 3 over 2 on the calculator.
Alright.
So it's just a matter of saying
Alright,
okay. Alright, next one, which is number 12. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry. Number 12. Change all of them to 2's. 8 is 2 to the power of 3. So change 8 into 2 to the power of 3. And that was to the power of x. And after to the power of x is the power of y. Change 32 into... Oh, it's xx, is it? Oh, sorry, excuse me. So if that's 2x's, what we can do there is, actually we can just multiply them at the start and say it's 8x squared equals 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of 5 to the power of x. Next step, change 8 into 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and now what we're going to get is 2 to the power of 3x squared divided by 2 to the power of 5x equals 2 to the power of 2. Now that that's done, what we're going to get is 2 to the power of 3x squared minus 5x equals 2 to the power of 2. Now what happens next, guys? 2's cancel, and we get 3x squared minus 5x equals 2. Bring over the 2. 3x squared minus 5x minus 2 equals 0. Reference number of what, Connor?
Minus 6.
Huh? Minus 6. And that will turn into? Minus 6 and plus 1. 3x squared minus 6x plus 1x minus 2 equals 0. 3x factorizes into x minus 2. Second bracket by default also has to be x minus 2. What number goes in here? Plus 1. Finally, 3x plus 1 is the first bracket. Second bracket is x minus 2. All this equals 0. x minus 2 equals 0, bring over to 2. X equals 2. 3x plus 1 equals 0. 3x equals minus 1. X equals minus 1 over 3. How many people got that one now? It's pretty good. Well done, lads. It's pretty good. Decent question. Now, number 17 is the following. 2 to the power of 2x divided by 2 to the power of y equals 32 changes into 2 to the power of 5. Yeah. Okay. Now that's done. It's going to be 2 to the power of 2x minus y equals 2 to the power of 5, because it's when you divide, you take away the bottom one. Then we're going to have 2x minus y equals 5. The next one is 2 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of 3y. Now, what is a half? A half is 2 to the power of, anybody? Minus 1. This means that it's going to be x, okay, x plus 3y equals minus 1. What we've got to do is we got to solve this out, okay, and I'm going to multiply the bottom by 3, and what we get is 6x minus 3y equals 15. Add them together, we're going to get 7x equals 14, and then divide that x equals 2. Now that we know that x equals 2, also what we got to do next is figure out what y is. So replace x with 2, we're going to get 4 minus y equals 5. Bring it over the y over here and the 5 over this side. And we're going to get y equals 4 minus 5 minus 1 equals y. Y equals minus 1. X equals 2, y equals minus 1. Who got that? These ones here are solve each of the following equations and state which one has no solution. Okay, I'm going to do number 2 that obviously has a solution. Number 2 is this, guys. 3 to the power of x equals 3. When it's just 3 on its own, it means 3 to the power of 1. This means x equals 1. Okay? Now, next one. This one here, okay? Sorry, won't do that one there. Do this one here, right? 2 to the power of x equals minus 8. Now the problem is with minus 8 is you can say it's minus 2 cubed, okay, which it is. Now, it's minus 2 to be cubed, or it's minus 2 in brackets cubed. Now the problem is they aren't compatible, because 2 to the power of any number will not give you minus 8. Like 2 to the power of 1 will give you 2. 2 to the power of 2 will give you 4. 2 to the power of 3 will give you 8. Now some people might come out and say, what about 2 to the power of minus 3? But look what happens there. 2 to the power of minus 1 is a half. 2 to the power of minus 2, a quarter. 2 to the power of minus 3 is an eighth. Okay? You can see that basically no number will give you an answer of minus 8. This means it has no solution. Okay? And there's going to be one or two like of them tonight that will have no answer. You've got to figure out which ones they are. Alright guys, we're going to move on to the next